What are we playing today?
Sagrada.
And what do you do in Sagrada?
You put the dice on the windows.
Okay, so do you want
And
to
then
start?
if you win,
Yeah.
we bring the adult version out.
Okay, so we're playing the kiddies version at the moment, aren't we?
Yeah.
And
then
in
we are playing the kids version.
Yeah.
And then the adult version.
So in the kids version, what we do is we don't put these cards in, do we? So
No.
usually we have these cards and they usually go in your window. But we are playing the kids version. So for the kids version, you just use the colours and the numbers and it works really well.
This is a hard one because I got my one up afterwards. See my hand is under there?
Oh, you're leaving it like that? I think your dice might fall out. I think you might want to put it flat. So do you want to roll them first?
Yep.
There you go. Just roll them here so we can see them. Okay, so you choose first. Starting with a 3. I think I might start with a 2. Okay, it's your turn. Yeah, you can only choose a 1, can't you? Because that was a 1 before you knocked it over. This one, and then this one goes. Stop trying to make me laugh. Oh, geez, do something else. Okay, so next roll, 5 dice.
Yummy in my tummy.
Shall I choose first this time?
Yep.
Okay, I'll choose that one. Your turn. Oh, you're going in a line, I see.
It's a little bit harder for you because you're not doing a line.
I know. Okay, I'm gonna go here.
I got 2 more. I got 2 more and then I'm starting to these 2. And then I'm doing another line and another line and then another line and then I'll win.
Oh, is that your strategy? Okay, you've got 1 more dice to choose. What one are you going to choose? Has to be, doesn't it? Because you've already got purple there.
That one's is on 5.
Yep. And we pop that.
And that one's
There.
on 4.
This is our round tracker. So we've done 2 rounds. Your turn to roll the dice. 5 dice. Got them. Wow.
Yummy in my tummy.
Oh, very nice. Well, what one are you going to choose? Because I think it's your turn. Oh, hang on a minute. Oh, hang on a minute.
This one?
What colour is it?
Yellow. Red.
Good job.
I did it in a line.
Yeah. Oh, geez.
Let's
Okay. Okay, I see what you're up to. That's another round done.
Yep. We are almost all the way to 10.
Cool.
Oh.
Here we go.
It's my turn.
Oh, is it? I think it was mine, but it's okay. Can you put that there?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
What number is it?
1.
What? You just realised.
This one.
Oh, can you put that there?
Yep.
Why? What number is it?
4. Ah, that's for you. That. That's 1, 4.
So you can't put a 1 or a 4, so there's only 1 die there that you can use. Can't use a 1 or a 4, remember. It's got to be 3.
Yes, 3.
Yeah, but it's on an angle, so you can do that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so it's my turn. I can't use a 3 either. I'm gonna have to take this one.
1. I'm gonna pick 3.
Can you use a 3? You can use a 3, you know, if you stop doing your line, if you put it somewhere else, you can use that.
Oh no.
You want to stick with your line? Can you use that one?
No. 1. I can use it.
You can. Okay.
I'll pick this one.
That one goes on the round tracker.
Round 2 done.
Round 2?
Yeah, round 2.
Round 4?
No, round 4.
Here you go.
No,
It's your turn to roll.
round 4. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. You've forgotten one.
Thank you.
Wow. Okay. I think it was my turn to pick first this time. I'm going to choose this one.
It's getting harder for you, not me.
Oh, really? Is that right?
Yeah, that's right.
So this is why I like playing this game with you, because not only are you fun to play with, but also I think this is really good for your brain, working out the colours and the numbers. What do you think?
Good.
Yeah.
Sagrada is good. My turn to pick. Yeah.
Okay.
Getting harder for you, not me.
Oh, I can. Yes, I would agree with that actually.
There's only 1, 2, 3, 4.
I'm gonna
4
have to
more
take
to
this
go.
one.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2. I think round 2 because that's a 2. 2. This one's on 2. Sagrada is a tricky one because when you put one there and then you're putting in the green one there, this gets harder.
Yeah, it does. I think we'll move this forward so people can see what you're talking
There's
about.
2 more.
Oh, we can't see your cute face anymore, but we can see the game. Now we can see your cute face. Okay, I'm going to choose this one and pop it here.
You did round 6. They did round 9. I mean 6. Maybe 9. I mean 6.
Yeah, round 6. All right.
Round 6. Round 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Okay, my turn to
I
pick.
think it's your turn. I can't actually remember, but we'll say it is.
We can put that there. Because this is a purple, that's a blue. But it's not the same colour. Because they have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can put that there.
Good job. Oh dear.
It's getting harder for you.
It is getting harder for me. You're right.
Put that there. Because that's the one and that's a 3.
Good job. Okay. Okay.
Round 7 done.
Oh, you're taking this very seriously, aren't you?
I was shaking.
Okay. I think it's actually my turn, but you can go first. Uh-oh.
Oh, we can put the green there. Oh. Red there.
Oh, so lucky. Yep, you can do that.
Because there's none right here. There's only 1, 2, 3. 1, 4 blue. 1, 2, 3, 4 yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4 for green.
Yep, it's your turn.
Your turn. It's getting hard, really hard for you.
Thanks for pointing that out every turn, Jaxie. You gonna pop that on the score track? The turn track? 5 more dice. What are we gonna get? I'll roll them.
My turn?
I think it is. What number have you got?
2.
Oh, you have. You're too quick for me. You're not even thinking about it and you're getting the right ones. Okay. That one.
I'll pick this one.
Can you put that one there? Oh, you can. Oops. I thought that was a green one for a second there. And this one. Turn track.
Turn track.
Oh, we're nearly finished.
There's one more.
Can you do it?
Take this
Can he do it? What number is that one?
4.
Oh, okay.
I gotta pick one more because I'm almost the champion.
I think you're gonna win, aren't you? Because it's your turn before me, so
Okay, pick.
yep.
You got one more.
Yeah, but you've won. You've filled your window in, haven't you? And that's the way we play the toddler version. First one to fill in their window.
Now this one gonna go here.
Yep. So we've done it.
Yeah, now
We've
these.
finished Sagrada.
Okay, let's push it. Now let's play the other game, the baking game.
Well, we need to tell people what we think of this one first before we go playing another one. So what did you think of Sagrada?
This is like a counter, but look at it. Look at it on the back. It's like a Sagrada board.
Yeah.
And it has count. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Does it look like
It's a scoring tracker.
there's a scoring tracker and then it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can be so much fun with it. And
Even as little kids, you can have
Yeah.
a lot of fun with it, right?
yeah, you can have lots of fun. And people's some school get Sagrada. I think they'll like this game. So that
So you're giving it a good review, right?
yeah.
You think adults would like it for the adult version and kids would like it for the kid version?
Mhm. Bye-bye. Spider-Man. I got Spider-Man. Bye-bye.